structure of a language to be completely grammatical. This is the notion of the grammatical model we're working on for today. But before we move to the depth of it, first of all, you are welcome to Sagacious English Grammar, the ultimate destination for the mastery of English language skill. So in today's lecture, I am going to be teaching you the grammatical model referred to as the systemic grammar. Okay, let me start from this point. It is important you take note that systemic grammar actually originated or was postulated as a result of the weakness of structural grammar to be specific. In structural grammar, it is believed that meaning has no place in grammar. It is believed that there is difference between meaning and grammar, and meaning has nothing to do with grammar. So, to trace this back to the origin, there is someone known as a linguist known as J.R. Firth. He happens to be the teacher of Michael Alexander Kepler-Holiday, who postulated systemic functional grammar. So J.R. Firth actually believed that the meaning of a language can be deduced from the expression, or you have it, the context of use. Okay, so this principle was further developed by the popular linguist we know now, the person of Michael Alexander Kepler-Holiday. So in case you've been asked that who postulated systemic functional grammar, it is no other person but the person of M.K. Holiday. So M.K. Holiday believes that meaning can actually be deduced from the context of use. In other words, this is a model that focuses on the function of language and how it is being used in different situations in order to convey meaning. So it could be said that much emphasis is placed on meaning rather than structure in systemic functional grammar. It is of the belief of M.K. Holiday that languages will take as something really complex as long as you can communicate with the person before you or the person virtually, and meaning can actually be enhanced and be good to go as far as language is concerned. So it could be said that in SFG, systemic functional grammar, language is highly based on acceptability rather than grammaticality. Okay, so Michael Alexander Kepler-Holiday, in a nutshell, actually places emphasis on semantics and pragmatics rather than the structure of a language. For the mastery of English language skill. The objective I actually have for today's